Hey guys, it's Aubrey and Tara, and today we're going to be making deviled eggs. We love making this because it's perfect for Easter or any other time of the year. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get on with the video.
To make this, you will need 12 large eggs, 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons sour cream, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon garlic powder, paprika for topping, and some chopped chives for garnish. In a large pot, add eggs and bring to a boil. Cook for 20 minutes. Then remove from heat. Transfer eggs to an ice bath and let them sit for 10 minutes. Doing this prevents the eggs from overcooking. Now carefully crack and peel eggs. Cut eggs lengthwise. Remove yolks and place into a bowl. Into the bowl with the egg yolks, add in 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons sour cream, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon garlic powder, and mash together with a fork. Then take a whisk and whisk until light and fluffy. Doing this makes it easier to pipe and make sure that there's no lumps in the filling. Now either pipe or scoop the filling into the egg wells. And today we're using a 1M tip. And now to top it all off, sprinkle with some paprika and some chopped chives.
This is so good. These are my favorite appetizer. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we will see you in our next video.
Bye!